Random math problem number 89. At a party of 345 employees, sandwiches were served with soft drinks. It was found out that 120 chicken sandwiches and 240 cheese sandwiches were consumed. When the male employees were on their way home, 35 confessed that they ate one chicken sandwich and one cheese sandwich each. How many went home without eating any of the sandwiches? Okay, so ito ang ating mga choices, 20, 30, 35, 55, or 65. Okay, so pag titingnan mukhang madali lang pero medyo merong ibang nalilito dito. So sagutan na natin. So paano ba isolve to? So ang gagawin lang natin ay kunin lang natin kung ilan yung employees. So marami kasing way para isolve ito eh. So depende sa inyo kung paano nyo isosolve ito. So addition and subtraction lang ito. So employees, ilagay natin dito sa left natin yung number of employees. So we have 345 employees and then dito naman sa kabila yung sandwich. So dalawa yung sandwiches natin. So may 120 chicken sandwiches and 240 cheese sandwiches. So i-add lang natin yan. 120 plus 240 is equal to 360. So pag kinompare natin, ibig sabihin, no, employees 345 tapos ang sandwich natin 360. So meron pa tayong excess. So may excess pa kung 1:1. 345 lang ang employees, ang sandwich natin ay 360. So may excess pa tayo na 360 minus 345. Meron pang 15. May pasobra pa na 15. Kaso yung sabi dito, when the male employees were on their way home, 35 confessed that they ate one chicken sandwich and one cheese sandwich each. So nakadalawa yung 35. Yung 35 na employees, nakadalawa sila. So ang tanong, how many went home without eating any of the sandwiches? So yung pasobra natin, itong excess, 15 lang. Eh yung employees natin, meron sa kanilang, yung 35 ay kumain ng tigdadalawa itong 35. So ibig sabihin, isubtract lang natin itong 35 dito sa 15. So 35 minus 15 equals 20. So therefore, merong 20 employees na hindi nakakain kasi nga itong 35 ay tigdadalawa sila. So another way para isolve ito ay magsimula tayo dito sa 345 employees. So from 345, isubtract natin yung 35 kasi tigdadalawa sila ng kinain. So minus 35, so meron pa tayong 345 minus 35, so meron pang 310 employees. Tapos itong 35 na employees na ito, ang nakain na nila 70. Kasi tigdadalawa sila. One cheese sandwich and one chicken sandwich. So therefore, ang remaining na natin na sandwich natin, meron tayong 360. Pag sinubtract natin yung 70 na kinain na nung 35, 360 minus 70, meron pa tayong 290. Eh yung natitirang employees na hindi pa kumakain, 310. Tapos yung natitirang sandwich ay 290. So ito yung another way. So isubtract natin. So 310 minus 290. So ang sagot ay meron pang natitira. So yan, bring down 0 lang. 31 minus 29, we have 20. So same answer, merong 20 employees na hindi nakakain. Kasi nga, tigdadalawa ang kinain nitong 35. Okay, so I hope nagustuhan niyo explanation ko para sa problem na ito. Thank you for watching. At kung meron kayong math question, ay i-comment nyo lang dito sa aking channel, pwede sa aking FB group, or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger na RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.